Live to be 130 years old. Yes, that's what scientists in Europe are predicting. So why not live it youthfully, healthy, and beautifully?
Hello, I'm Maya Hippolyte, the creator of Morgana's Alchemy. I am a cosmetic chemist of 17 years, and I created Morgana with tree and flower extracts from around the world to safeguard the skin's sensitivity and to make sure that the products work quickly. Our models are actual users of Morgana products and are not wearing any makeup.
Smooth, radiant skin is possible at any age. Here's our proof. These women graciously accepted to test Morgana's source to verify its short-term effects within minutes of product application. Each saw an immediate skin-tightening effect of the sorghum and chicory plant, which contain natural sugars that bind with the keratin on the skin. Sorghum is a cereal that is free of harmful substances and is 100% more powerful than vitamin C. Chicory and taro root extracts stimulate collagen by 20%. Morgana's source is the latest in the Morgana's Alchemy line of all-natural anti-aging products that reduce the appearance of fine lines. Morgana's Alchemy source, an EcoCert certified serum, can make your skin the best it can be in a way that is healthy for you and the environment. Sorghum, chicory, and taro root extracts, Morgana's source main ingredients, smooth out and freshen your complexion within minutes. Independent clinical tests reveal an overall 90% satisfaction rate. Order your Morgana's skin solution today at 1-888-590-2580. Visit us online at myskinsolution.com. Morgana's Alchemy. Crafted skincare, timeless beauty.